Have you ever wondered what the best French food is? The allure of French cuisine is undeniable, captivating taste buds worldwide with its rich flavors and diverse offerings. From the simplicity of a freshly baked baguette paired with a chunk of creamy camembert, to the intricate layers of flavor in a coq au vin. French cuisine is a symphony of taste that has left an indelible mark on the global culinary scene. Today, we will be counting down the top 5 French foods that you absolutely must try. Starting off our list at number 5, we have coq au vin. This classic French dish is a symphony of flavors, a delightful blend of succulent chicken stewed in a rich, hearty wine sauce. The name itself translates to rooster in wine, a nod to its humble peasant origins, where older birds were slow cooked to tender perfection. Traditionally, coq au vin involves marinating the chicken in red wine overnight, then slow cooking it with lardons, mushrooms, and possibly a dash of brandy. The result is a delectable mouth-watering dish where each ingredient sings in perfect harmony with the others. The chicken turns out incredibly tender, practically melting in your mouth, while the sauce is a flavorful, aromatic reduction that's just begging to be mopped up with a piece of crusty bread. Coq au vin, a heartwarming dish that brings comfort and sophistication to your table. It's a taste of French culinary tradition you wouldn't want to miss. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves in the sunny south of France with Bouillabaisse. This dish is a traditional Provençal fish stew, a perfect symphony of fresh local seafood simmering in a pot. Imagine a medley of fish, shellfish, and other delights from the sea, each piece adding its unique flavor to the mix. But what makes Bouillabaisse stand out is its fragrant blend of herbs and spices. Imagine saffron, fennel, and orange zest, among other ingredients, mingling with the seafood, creating an aroma that's as captivating as the Mediterranean Sea itself. Every spoonful of this delightful stew is a journey, a dance of flavors that takes you right to the heart of Provence. It's hearty, it's warm, and it's the kind of dish that makes you feel right at home, even if you're miles away. The taste of Bouillabaisse, a true reflection of the Mediterranean spirit. At number 3, we have a vegetarian delight, Ratatouille. This dish hails from Nice and is a colorful, hearty vegetable stew that captures the essence of French cuisine. Imagine a medley of fresh, vibrant vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes all simmering together, their flavors intermingling to create a dish that is as delightful to the palate as it is pleasing to the eye. Each ingredient in a ratatouille plays a crucial role, contributing its unique taste and texture, and the aromatic herbs used, like thyme, basil, and bay leaf, elevate it to another level. The key to a perfect ratatouille is to cook each vegetable separately before combining them. This way, every ingredient retains its distinct flavor, yet harmoniously blends with the others. One can enjoy ratatouille as a main dish or a side, and it pairs beautifully with a crusty French baguette. Ratatouille, a symphony of flavors in every bite. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have the world-renowned Croissant. This French pastry is an absolute delight with its buttery texture and flaky layers that simply melt in your mouth. And let's not forget, the croissant isn't just for breakfast, it's a versatile treat that can be enjoyed any time of the day, whether it's a sweet dessert or a savory sandwich. The croissant, in all its golden, crescent-shaped glory, is a simple pleasure that is deeply satisfying. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 French food is none other than cassoulet. A dish that truly captures the spirit of French cuisine, cassoulet is a slow-cooked casserole that hails from the south of France. This traditional recipe is an assembly of white beans, pork, lamb, and sometimes duck, all stewed together in a single pot. Each ingredient is allowed to mingle and marinate, transforming into a rich, hearty dish that warms you from the inside out. The magic of cassoulet lies in the slow cooking process. It's a labor of love, where flavors are coaxed out of every morsel over hours of gentle simmering. The result? A dish that's deeply satisfying, with a depth of flavor that's complex, yet comforting. Cassoulet is not just a meal, it's an experience. It's an invitation to sit down, slow down, and savor every bite. Cassoulet, a culinary masterpiece that is the epitome of French comfort food. So there you have it, the top 5 French foods that you must try. From the hearty warmth of coq au vin to the vibrant, comforting ratatouille, the savory symphony of bouillabaisse, the buttery decadence of a fresh croissant, and finally, the heartwarming cassoulet. Each dish is a culinary journey waiting to be embarked upon, whether you're dining in France or crafting these delights in your own kitchen. Remember, the best way to experience a culture is through its food. So go ahead and take a bite out of France.